Hello guys, it's a beautiful morning to you all and it's gonna be a successful day as well. Welcome back to Daily Soccer Prediction channel. As you all know, all we do here is to provide you guys with the well-best analyzed predictions, betting tips and strategies. So if you are new to this channel, if this is your first time coming across this channel, kindly subscribe to this channel and do turn on the notification bell for you to get notified once our everyday predictions, betting tips and strategies are being uploaded on this channel. And today, our experts have analyzed the best show games for you guys for today. We are going to be uploading two best slips on today's channel, today's video. So guys, without me wasting much of your time, here are the games for today. Bayer Leverkusen vs Werder Bremen, a Germany Bundesliga. The home side Bayer Leverkusen to win to UP on this match with a 1.28 odd. England Premier League: Liverpool vs Southampton, home to win to UP on this match with a 1.13 odd. Rennes vs PSG, a France League One double chance on this game, draw or away with a 1.21 odd on this prediction. Lille vs Montpellier, France League One as well, a double chance home or draw on this game with a 1.11 odd on this prediction. Inter vs AC Monza in Italy Serie A, Inter to win to UP on this match, a home win with a 1.15 odd on this prediction. This is the first best league today, and the second best league today goes like this. Yes, the second best league for today's match. So guys, bet responsible and never be greedy for odds. Have patience on your games. Have patience on your games. These are the sure second best league for today with a 3-all on today's match. Barcelona vs Osasuna. Barcelona to win to UP on today's match. Spain La Liga with a 1.23 all on today's prediction. Bayer Leverkusen vs Werder Bremen, home or draw with a 1.07 all. Borussia Dortmund vs Augsburg, home or draw. Germany Bundesliga 1.15 all. Alavés vs Villarreal, Spain La Liga, draw or away with a 1.38 all on double chance on today's prediction. England Premier League, Crystal Palace vs Ipswich Town, double chance home or draw 1.154. Liverpool vs Southampton, Liverpool to win to UP on today's match. This is a sure win game for today's prediction with a 1.13 odd. Germany Bundesliga hosting Kiel vs Stuttgart, draw or away. Germany Bundesliga 1.164. So guys, like I always say, if you're new to this channel, if this is your first time coming across this channel, kindly subscribe to this channel and do turn on the notification bell for you to get notified once our everyday predictions, betting tips and strategies are being uploaded on this channel. I wish you all good luck to you all and more wins ahead. Have a successful day as well.